In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subject-based email filter in Gmail. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to automatically organize emails based on words in the subject line, so important messages are highlighted and distractions stay out of your inbox. First, locate an example email that has the subject you want to filter. Don't open it, simply check the box next to that message in your inbox. Selecting it this way ensures the toolbar appears at the top, which is where we'll find the filter options. Next, look at the top toolbar and click the three vertical dots, often labeled More or More Options. This menu gives you tools specific to the email you selected and includes Gmail's built-in filtering shortcut. From the menu, choose filter messages like these. Gmail will open a pop-up with fields pre-filled from the message you selected. This is where we'll fine-tune the filter so it keys off the subject rather than the sender. In the pop-up, clear the From field so the sender's address is removed. That way the filter won't be tied to one person. Now click into the subject field and type the keywords you want to match, such as invoice or project update. Aim for words or short phrases that are specific enough to catch the right messages without being so broad that you capture unrelated mail. Avoid overly general terms like update on their own, and consider including a phrase you see consistently in those subjects. Gmail's matching is not case sensitive, so capitalization won't matter. When your subject criteria look right, click Create Filter. This moves you to the action screen where you tell Gmail what to do when a message matches your subject keywords. Here, choose the actions that fit your workflow. You might apply Label to keep things organized, skip the inbox to keep routine notifications from cluttering your view, or mark as read if these emails don't need immediate attention. You can combine actions like skipping the inbox and applying a label to build an efficient automation. If you want Gmail to organize older messages that already match your subject criteria, check the box that says, Also apply filter to matching conversations. This is helpful when you're catching up on past emails and want a consistent setup from day one. Finally, click Create Filter to save and activate it. From now on, any incoming email with those subject keywords will be handled exactly the way you chose, keeping your inbox clean and your priorities clear.